Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening something a little bit different. We're opening Pokemon, see how it goes.
Way different.
Way different.
We ain't never done this.
Shout out to my teammate Jerry, got me this for
Oh,
Christmas. Let's open. That's a glare. Let's open Pikachu first, I guess. That was the side.
You want to open them both?
Yeah, we'll open them both. I'm looking for those expensive cards, you know?
Tommy isn't that good at Pokemon.
Zion doesn't want to learn how to play. Take a look at that promo Pikachu real quick.
Guaranteed.
That looks sick, actually.
Ooh.
That's
Yeah,
nice.
I
I'm
like
gonna just put it on the side. I like the new VMAXs. We get 5 packs. What we get? Get 2 Darkness of Blaze. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. I'm gonna put Yu-Gi-Oh cards in them. Got Rebel Clash, Sun and Moon base set, and Fates Collide. Wow, this is an old pack.
Oh, I remember back
That's
in that
old.
drop.
Okay, let's do oldest to newest, I guess. Starting off.
Oh, yes, we're doing something risky, bro.
Oh yeah, risky. You don't know. Actually, hold up, real quick. Here is a code card. I'm never gonna use it, so you guys can have it.
Some free Pokemon.
I'm gonna use it right after this video's done.
It's free. If y'all found this video, y'all get it.
Yeah, you guys are fine. I don't need these.
Yeah, lucky, man.
I suck on the thing. Here's another one. This is a Face Collide. I don't remember what the trick is. I think it's 3 to the front. No, 4 is for the newer set.
Oh, okay, the card on
3.
the
Okay.
If y'all find this video, you're lucky.
You got Fossil Exchange Kit, Wormadam, Zygrade, Jigglypuff, Deerling, Riolu, Snubbull, Bionicle, I don't know what the hell I said, Whimsmer, and Marowak.
So we got no
yeah.
foil.
No foil. We got a hollow foil or reverse foil,
Oh, yeah,
but that isn't a guaranteed pack, or it's not guaranteed. Let's do the base set Sun and Moon.
yeah.
This is another old pack.
Yeah, I remember that.
Now this one you do 4 to the front because it gives you a energy. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, white card, a white code card. I think that means good.
It's a new one.
4. All right.
Get rid of that energy.
I got rid of the energy. I'm gonna get trademarked for the episode. Water energy, Ultra Ball, Voldor. Oops. Timer Ball, Alolan Rattata, Roggenrola, Marnie, Crabwally, Growlithe, Cloyster, and Lurantis GX. I started building this. This is nice. Let's get that on camera.
GX. Oh,
It's nice. It's old. It's probably still $30 though.
That's worth like 20 cents.
Oh wait, really? Let's put this over here. All of our hits. I don't have Pokemon sides. I don't. Okay. Next one we're opening is Rebel Clash. From this one, I think I opened a few of these. This one I want the Toxtricity in here that I want. Free code card. Tell us what you get, if anything. Alright. We got Charger Bug, Capture Energy, Dual Blade, Fighting Energy. I did that wrong. Wingull, Coughing, Bronzor, Toxel. I want his evolved form. Litwick, Pillowsand, and double V. That's cool. Sheep, basically.
Looks like a bunny and a sheep.
It's kind of tanky. I don't know. So cool.
Alright, getting some good pulls, guys.
Alright, next we got Darkness Ablaze. We have a chance to get a Charizard out of here.
Oh, shoot.
If I'm not mistaken.
Hey, this is a cut and flip it.
Okay, we'll do it on this side. Okay, yeah, we'll do it this side.
Okay.
So this pack we're gonna do the what should I do?
So you just like open it and then flip it and mix it around
Okay.
and then separate it.
Alright, let me make some room real quick. Put these two out to the side.
Alright, guys.
I'm having trouble. They don't want me to do it.
We'll do some risky stuff.
Let's put everything down.
What's it called?
Flip it or rip it.
Yeah, blue and blue.
Here's I'm gonna show you this way. Here's that cool card. Okay, so
Nervous.
I know.
Alright, so yeah, you just mix it around.
Just mix them around real quick. Basically, yeah.
Yeah, you choose a random.
It's so crazy.
I know. I'm living life on the edge.
You're
Li-
gonna get like the most American.
living like Larry. Okay.
And then put them like in order, like.
Alright.
Any order.
Let's just flip them like this. So, how do we do it? How do we choose which one to rip? I don't know.
Just choose one. So like you lift it up and then just do this.
Okay.
And then you get one.
Okay. I'll choose this one to get, and then the next time I rip. So, okay, pulled nothing. Okay. Alright, next one. Let's do
Oh no.
do this one. Okay. Cut it.
Let's go, we get it.
It was nothing.
Oh,
Okay, that was nothing.
shoot.
Energy.
It was a electric.
Oh, nice.
Alright.
Now,
See.
another one?
I will get this one.
Wait, so you're just doing it every single card?
So half the pack I'm gonna cut, and half the pack I'm gonna keep.
Yeah.
Nothing here. There you
So
go.
let's do it like one more time for this.
Alright. Alright. Oh, I'm supposed
okay,
to
you
cut.
got a good one.
I was supposed to cut it.
Oh.
I'll cut two. Well, we already know I got something
Yeah,
good.
I guess we cut two.
Yeah, I'll just cut two. So I'll choose this one to cut. I don't think it's anything, but if it's like a reverse energy, that's like
Okay, that's a
you
good
like, and then cut this one. Nothing. Okay, we did nothing. Alright,
He's lucky.
I'm
See,
lu-
that's how you know we're lucky, guys.
okay, I'm gonna open the rest. You got Dumb Sparse. Oh, there's the hollow. Oh, my like that's a cool card.
Bro.
This card.
Where's the wallet?
Oh, the hollow's over there. You got a Powerful Energy, Mr. Mime, and Leaf Energy. You should have cut that.
Alright,
Mr. Mystic Mime. We're degenerate. Okay.
I give you two.
And then last pack I'll just open regularly. I'll do this for the next 10 too.
Oh, shoot.
I don't know if I got it away. Alright. Here is code card for you guys. Free Pokemon for you. We got Turbo Patch. The fuck is Billowing Smoke? I thought it was Blowing Smoke. Simisage. Lightning Energy. Lavartar. Golett. Feebas. Purloin. Hippotas. Carnivine for the reverse rare. And Draco Volt for the rare. Alright. That's good. I mean, you still got 2 hits. You got that Lurantis and double. That's good.
We got another 10.
We got one more 10, so let me crack this open real quick. Alright. Let's get a look at this promo real quick. This Eternius. Really cool card. Got my butt whooped by my friend who just used this card. Or this Pokemon.
What friend?
What's his name? Deadlocks. There's a code card.
No, this is it.
Sir Deadlocks, I don't know. What does this give? This gives us 2 Darkness Ablazes, 1 Rebel Clash, 1 Sun and Moon, and 1 Face Glide. Okay. This,
just choose what we gonna do first.
Alright.
I'll let you choose. Which one do you think I should do it on?
Let's see.
Don't do this one because this one's like the
We barely
worst
even
one.
started Pokemon, bro.
Let's do Sun and Moon.
Sun and Moon. Okay, you want to do it first? Let's say this is on to the end then.
Yeah, let's do that.
Alright, let's open this Face Collide real quick. Here is a code card for you guys. Let's go 1, 2, 3 to the front. We got Shauna, Servine,
Oh, yeah,
Energy Reset, Kofi, Minchino, Diglett, Riolu, Carving, Spoink, and Lucaria. Still a cool card. I remember some kid got in a fight at school because of this card. Miguel and Adrian. That shit was hilarious. Let's go Rebel Class next. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Shout out Episode. They're gay.
This is actually pretty cool.
Alright. Here is the next code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got Capture Energy, Palpito, Phalanx, Energy, Nose Pass, Wingull, Foot Thump, Bronzor, Toxel, Heracross, that's cool, and Garbodor.
Trash. He looks like trash.
He is trash. He's garbage. Next we got the Darkness Ablaze. Hope we get something good out of here.
You bring it up.
Yeah.
It's a code card for you.
So, you don't want to get these, I'll trade you.
Oh, yeah.
4 to the front. We got Steel Energy,
I didn't get you your present for Christmas Eve.
Turbo Patch,
I'm late on
This
that.
doesn't count.
Vibra,
I know. I'm
Got three there?
Something else.
Gothita, Skarmory, Cubchoo, Wimpod, Bunnelby, another Milotic, and
Oh,
Talonflame. Cool card. I like his shiny form better. Alright, next pack. Another Darkness Ablaze.
How does bigger Yu-Gi-Oh cards feel?
Huh?
Did you say that?
he said, huh?
I didn't hear what you said. Another cool card. 4 to the front.
I see.
You got Pupitar, Zuelis, Sarabia, Energy, Wishy-Washy, Cupid, Deanna, Panseer, Mary, Big Parcel, and Gothitelle. Nothing good, but we still got the Flip It or Rip It.
Yeah. You lucky on that part, aren't you?
We'll see. Alright, let me move it off the side again.
You ain't running from that one, bro.
Here's a code card for you guys. And
Are we mixing it up?
mix
Shuffle it up, shuffle it up.
them up.
Like, really good.
Should I get the bag?
Yeah, I got spices.
Alright, let's go and set these up real quick.
Alright, let's see.
Or you gotta pick three this time since you didn't hear nothing good.
Sure. Let's do this one to keep. I'll keep this one.
That's alright.
It's
Whoa.
new part and nothing. Oops, I dropped it. It don't matter.
You said this
Let's
is a trash
see.
card.
I got this on the rip, so
Oh, that's good.
get out the.
That's the hollow
See
I
it?
see.
It's nothing. We're chilling. Alright. Let's do. I'll do 3.
3 rips?
Yeah, and yeah, 3 rips. I'll say this one.
Ooh, bro, you ain't
Here you
saying-
go. Nothing. Is this a rare? I don't think it's a. I think that one's a rare. I'm not sure.
Gotta get it, bro.
I'll rip this one. It's energy. It was nothing.
Oh, it's good. Nice.
Let's do this one. I'll keep. Nothing.
Brings it down and down. But
We'll do this one. But actually, we'll keep on going to the
Okay,
last
yeah,
card.
To the end.
Nothing.
Oh.
Okay. What was this? Oh, it was a polywrap. I'll keep this card. Nothing. Color.
Let's get it
I'll
kind of hard now.
cut this one. Nothing. Okay.
Oh,
I don't think we got anything out of this one, but we still got a chance for the other one.
Okay, fuller.
I'll keep this one. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
It was the reverse,
Okay, you got the foil.
and then now I gotta cut one.
I'll cut the full. It's the fuller and a common.
Okay. I cut this one. It was nothing. Alright, let's see what the last one was. I don't. Oh yeah, let's
Okay,
try it.
okay.
Yeah, okay. We pulled a regular rare for the last
We
one.
saved the rare.
I think the rare was this. Which one is it? This card. I think the Bruxish was the rare. Okay, so that was our first Pokemon video.
I hope you guys like it.
Yeah, I hope you guys liked it. It was pretty fun. We got 2 pulls. We got a double and a Lurantis. I like this card a lot. So yeah, we're probably gonna be doing more of this in the future. So if you guys like this, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
So yeah, Remy boys ain't no fast money don't show.